We are going to generate a pattern here. If you look at this question carefully, you observe that from x plus 2 to x plus 3, we have plus 1. And from x plus 3 to x plus 4, we have plus 1 again. This implies that they are prime factors of three natural consecutive numbers. In that case, let us factor 336 into its prime factors. Then we have this 333. Let's start with 2. 336 divided by 2, that gives us 180. 168. We have here 2 again, that gives us 84. 2 again, we have 42. Then 2 again, we have 21. Then 3, and we have 7. Then let's combine this into its prime factors. We have 2 to the power of 3 here, that gives us 8. Then again, we have 2 times 3 here, that gives us 6, and we have 7. This implies that x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 equals 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. Then what you are going to do now is for us to compare this. In that case, we have here x plus 2 equals 6. Therefore, x equals 6 minus 2. Therefore, x equals 4. If you pick any of these and pay, you have this, which means x equals 4 is the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.